सो साबरी कपूर, क्या आपने AI भी रोज देखा? कैसा लगा? क्या आपको मजा आया उसमें? क्या मजा आया उसमें?
लाइट है, कॉमेडी है,
मतलब एंटरटेनमेंट।
Such more shows in India, or should it be actually censored?
To the current scenario, I think that should be censored for now, or because I think we as an Indian should not appreciate or cannot appreciate this kind of thing. We are not that matured enough. We have not that kind of ecosystem to appreciate such shows.
Don't you think it's bad for kids?
No, it's not. वैसे भी बच्चों को ये सब चीजें पता लगती है भाई. दोस्तों से पता लगेंगे, उससे अच्छा यहाँ से पता लगे, जल्दी सीख जाएंगे.
Is this kind of entertainment really required in the society? Do we really need it? Yeah, there are other sources of entertainment too. But should this be allowed?
Why not?
Why should it be allowed?
क्योंकि AIB से लोगों को प्रॉब्लम क्यों है? क्योंकि उसमें गालियाँ. क्या हम वो गालियाँ रोज नहीं सुनते? तो उस प्लेटफॉर्म को सुनने में क्या प्रॉब्लम? Just because लोगों से formally they're bringing it up on a formal platform, तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम.
So what you're saying is कि basically जो चलता रहता है society में.
मतलब तुम रोज वो कर सकते हो, लेकिन कोई नेट पे कर दे तो प्रॉब्लम.
Liked it a bit. More of it was offensive. Like, it is not appropriate for a public function. Like, it's okay. There are people of the same age over there. There was a wide range of people over there. Like they were married people. Karan Johar's mother was there, and he was talking all that.
हाँ तो
नहीं देखा नहीं है word about.
what नहीं होता.
I just know कि लोगों का मजाक उड़ाते हैं वहाँ.
गाली के लोगों की इंटेंस मतलब गंदी गालियाँ, ठीक है. This happens in every roast. This come to India for the first time. That's the thing. So what do you think? मतलब internet censorship, should it be there or shouldn't it be there?
It should be there. It shouldn't be there.
It shouldn't be there. Why?
Why? I feel because that is their own. But they're not making fun of anybody outside whoever is concerned there.
But it's not only about AIB. It's about everything in general. मतलब तू ये सोच कि जो मतलब इंटरनेट पे इतना uncensored content है, it can hamper a lot of people. मतलब especially the kids. Don't you think?
There should be specific things जो उनके लिए हम लोग we can do something for them, specifically for them. According to me, there's no harm in these kind of shows.
Language, I think it's more like of a mental thing for a person, because his mother may be there and she may be cool with that stuff.
But Indian culture and values are not that. Like, we don't believe in using that language. That is very offensive for us. And speaking such language in front of our parents is totally wrong.
It's completely not justifying, taking away anyone's freedom of speech. हम उसको डेली लाइफ में फॉलो करते हैं, तब तो कोई आके नहीं बोलता, तब तो कोई नहीं टोकता, तब तो अंदर से आवाज़ नहीं आती कि नहीं करना चाहिए. लेकिन when you are warned against such things कि आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, आपको अगर नहीं जम रहा है तो आपको नहीं देखना चाहिए, ठीक है.
Like earlier we used to speak that language, but it was like we were scared of speaking that in public. But now this program has given that language a platform. Like, people now don't feel shy of using that language. They feel that it is cool. Like, it is spoken on a national level, so we can also speak that. Like, there's nothing like the cool quotient has increased. I feel that.
बच्चों का क्या, जो 6-6 साल के बच्चे हैं जो iPad चला लेते हैं आजकल और YouTube पे जाके देख लेंगे.
आपको क्या लगता है AIB जैसे इको शो को बैन कर लोगे तो आप सब फोन साइट्स को बैन कर लोगे, सब एडल्ट रेटेड साइट्स को बैन कर लोगे? They will do this unless and until you care.
To some extent, if they are talking about the content that is available for everyone over net, so I am against it, because there should be a censorship for kids. There should be an age limit to whom it is available, because children do pick up these things at an early age, which is not nice.
Well, I personally did not enjoy it that much, but I think a lot of my friends have enjoyed it.
Okay, so the basic thing is that it had implications on the internet censorship since it has been taken down.
Yes.
So how far do you think that internet censorship should be there?
Well, I do not support censorship in any form, be it like internet, online, offline, anything goes. So I do not support that, because like, we cannot have external authorities coming up and telling us what to do with our lives, what to watch, what not to watch, because I feel we are adults and we have that kind of maturity to decide what we want to watch.
But yeah, let's talk about our generation. Okay, when we were like kids,
तब internet was not so much accessible to us, but yet we knew these words. We knew it. So
at an age of 11, 12,
Yeah.
I doubt. I wasn't knowing this stuff at an age of 11,
but
12.
doing that, तेरा अगर अभी भाई है, मैं अभी younger brother, अगर वो इंटरनेट से एक्सपोज नहीं हो रहा है, बट अभी इसी करंट सिनेरियो में मतलब anyway he'll get to know he's abused. So how far then this censorship is?
You know, see, the taking off one program is not the solution. Kids will have access to such stuff, like be it in YouTube or other sites. So parents and teachers have to figure out what to do about it. So I don't think this is the solution. Take off one program and then ban it.
So you think it's unfair to AIB?
Yes, obviously it's very unfair.
I believe that before getting exposed to such abuses, a basic education about these all sexual topics and issues is necessary, so that they can differentiate where to use it and when to not use it. Otherwise, what will happen is it would become a part of their daily life and language, and they would not be able to rationalize if they are supposed to speak it or not.
Censorship, and do you think that it
एक
should be
लिमिट तक होनी चाहिए, बट आई डाउट कि आप इन सब चीज़ों को रोक सकते हैं।
तो किस लिमिट कहाँ से होनी चाहिए? गवर्नमेंट की साइड से होनी चाहिए कि जो बना रहा है शो ऐसे शो
नहीं,
उन लोगों की साइड से?
आप हाँ गवर्नमेंट की साइड से भी होनी चाहिए, और अब थोड़ा अगर आप रखोगे उन पे रेस्ट्रिक्शन तो खुद लोग नहीं करेंगे।
So what are you saying? Are you
It
warranting?
is normal if we use it with friends and in our day-to-day, you know. It
So
is
what you're trying to say is that saying probably BC in front of a friend is like completely
no,
fine.
friend is fine, but then you cannot walk into a room where you don't hear, if you're not able to think who all are sitting and you're just talking that language. It may be inappropriate in front of the elders. They might get offended. So in that context, I think that they should have a basic education first and then this is fine.
As far as speaking about this AIB roast, I personally didn't like it, and there were some comments by Amir Khan as well, which I totally agree with.
So don't you think there will be many social repercussions about it? You know, putting abusive language out there in open. Are we supporting an abusive culture over here?
Actually, it's already out in the open. This AIB, they are just putting it on the internet for the whole. It's giving them a platform, but it's already out there.
Do you think government should create an example out of AIB just to say that okay, you cannot put it out in the open?
Then AIB just they are making the AIB the scapegoat. There are many other things to censor, but then you cannot just start the things with AIB and make it the scapegoat and propagate an agenda on based on that.
That kind of abuses in a video on a platform that is accessible by everyone.
Well, actually, we live in a world where there is freedom of speech. That's what I believe, and it was their way of actually creating humor. And we shouldn't have been critical about it.
क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगा?
I don't like they were doing bullshit. I didn't like
in what मतलब देखो तुम गाली गलौज वाली पिक्चर है तो हम सब पसंद करते हैं।
हाँ, but if it's of no sense, why should someone do this? Because I didn't get any sense out of it.
मतलब आपको लगा कि वो बेइज्जती जिस लेवल पे वो कर रहे थे
वो कोई मतलब की नहीं थी। बेइज्जती भी होती है तो आप कोई मतलब से करते हो ना, then it's of any use. Otherwise आप कुछ भी करते हो।
But then ये सोच कि इतना फेमस हो गया ये वीडियो तो
ये एक्चुअली लोगों ने बनाया,
क्रिटिक्स
ने बनाया
माना तो जैसे में ये फेमस हो गया इसके चलते यार कुछ मतलब सब देख सकते हैं, सब में रहेगा क्यूरियोसिटी की क्या है भाई, you know those kids can also watch it. Then don't you think that if it's been taken down it's actually the right thing?
This is something I think कि लोग जो socially good होना चाहते हैं वो ऐसे बोलते हैं. Amir Khan also went on and he said that I didn't actually like what उसने भी यार दिल्ली वैली नाम की मूवी बनाई
तो उसके में एज लिमिट लिखी हुई थी। अब एक डिफरेंस ये है कि तो अगर मूवी की हॉल में मतलब हॉल में टिकट खरीदने जाते तो उन बच्चों को मना कर देते हैं, ठीक है, तो सेंसरशिप इज देयर, ठीक है, वजह से इंटरनेट पे तो ये नहीं होता ना, इंटरनेट पे कोई कंट्रोल नहीं कौन देख रहा है। उस केस में क्या सजेस्ट करेगा?
आई थॉट दैट कि अगर उसने यूट्यूब के जो सारे लॉज और रेगुलेशंस वो फॉलो हुए हैं एंड आई गेस यूट्यूब पे भी एज वेरिफिकेशन रहता है, सो आई थिंक दैट वेल देन यार इसमें भी सिनेमा हॉल में भी लोग
ठीक है। अब जो बात आ रही है कि ये वीडियो को हटा दिया गया है, आपको पता है, तो अब ये जो है क्यों हटाया? जब इंटरनेट सेंसरशिप नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती है, इंटरनेट एक फ्री स्पीच का माध्यम है, तो इसको हटाने का क्या मतलब बनता है?
सी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा ये अलग बात थी, बट हटाने को लेकर आई एम ऑल्सो अगेंस्ट इट, बिकॉज स्पीच इज हियर, इंटरनेट फ्री है, आप फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच का बात करते हो, इट्स अ फंडामेंटल राइट। आई डोंट थिंक ये हटाना चाहिए। इफ somebody is liking and if others are not, why should who are not liking it will remove it?
The thing is that कि ऐसा करके अगर क्या हो रहा है कि अब whenever there is a fear while writing, while picking up a pen, then यार वो चीज़ गलत हो जाती है, then you can't express your thoughts, and ये fear अब writers के इसमें आ रहा है क्योंकि the kind of cynicism they face.
Ha 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 ha.